Hi everyone, it's Miss Dietrich helping you on a tricky percent question from Engage New York, either lesson 26 or 27. Jasmine has taken an online boating safety course and is now completing her end of course exam. As she answers each question, the progress bar at the bottom of the screen shows what portion of the test she has finished. She has just completed question 16 and the progress bar shows she is 20% complete. How many total questions are on the test? Use a table, diagram, or equation to justify your answer. So here's what we know. If she's completed the entire exam, that would be 100%. So we should draw a rectangle that's going to represent the entire exam. We know that 20% is really 1/5 of the exam. So this red box right here represents 20%, which is equal to 1/5. We also know that that's equal to 16 questions because that's what it says. It says she has just completed question 16 and the progress bar shows she is 20% complete. So that means if she goes for another chunk of 20%, she's going to have another 16 questions done. And if she kind of keeps going at that rate, she might have another 16 questions done. So this would be at 40%. When she gets to this part right here, that's 40%. When she gets here, that would be 60% done. And if she keeps going, then she would be at 80% done if she answers another 16 questions. So it doesn't quite line up, but it's close enough for you to get the idea. And when she's 100% done, completely done, she'll have the last few 16 questions done. So the question is, how many questions is that if we add 16 plus 16 plus 16 plus 16 plus 16? That'll give us how many questions total. And maybe you can see that we really have 5 groups of 16 questions. We can just do 16 times 5, and you can get the answer that way. Another way you can do it, because it does say you can write an equation, we could set up a proportion. So let's think about what we know about parts and wholes. Now we don't know how many items are on the test or the whole number that's on the test. We don't know that. But we do know that she's answered 16 questions, and at that point of her test she was 20% complete. So that's the same thing as 20 out of 100. Remember, percent, 100% is all of it. Now these two numbers are not compatible. However, we could simplify. Let's start by dividing by 10, and that's when we cross out the zeros, that's basically what we did. We could reduce this further, but because 2 is compatible with 18, we might as well just leave it as such. 2 times 8 would be 16, so we'll just take this 10 and multiply it by 8, and that'll give us our answer as well. 10 times 8 would be 80, so there must be 80 questions on the test. And of course, if we did this 16 times 5, we would also get 80. So the answer to how many total questions are on the test, we know there's 80 questions. Now you do have to show either the equation or a tape diagram or something in the workspace. So take a moment and maybe pause this and copy down what you see here.